Hey, what's up YouTube? After moving into our new house, my family and I needed somewhere to store our vast collection of books. And you know we gotta do it in style, so we decided to turn this bit of space into a steampunk library. Before we start, please hit the subscribe button. And with the self-promotion out of the way, let's get on with the video. So we started painting the area this dark green because it would go really well with the brass and dark wood steampunky theme. And apparently, green is quite a calming colour, which makes it a really good colour to have in the entrance to your house. So, we needed some shelves for our library, but we didn't want to go and buy any. So, we had a couple left over from our old house, and a couple that were here in the new house. But none of them were very steampunk. They were all sort of light wood colours or like orangey pine colour. We decided to alter them a bit. We cut the ones we got from this house down so that they would fit in the space under the stairs, and we varnished them. And we also varnished the ones we got from the old house, and decided that they would go at the back. After putting our newly varnished shelves together and moving them into the library, things were finally starting to take shape. All we needed now were some steampunky decorations and some books to finish off our library. So that is exactly what we did, and this is what the steampunk library looks like now. But there is so much more work that needs doing on this house. It is going to take years to complete, which does mean that I will have plenty more of this kind of video coming out. So if you did enjoy, please subscribe and have a nice day.